Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change portrait to landscape in Filmora, convert portrait to landscape in Filmora, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device and import the media that you want to use. So just click onto import media in here, or you could simply drag and drop the images, videos, or audios that you want to use. So as you can see, I've added some already in here. And as you can see, I have this certain photo in here that is on a portrait mode. To change this to landscape, it is easy. Just click onto the file icon here onto the upper part. Right after, just head onto project settings. So since this one is under 9:16 portrait, or aspect ratio is on portrait, that is why the photo is automatically adjusted to portrait. But if you want to change that to landscape, since that photo is initially on a landscape mode, it will automatically adjust as well. So we have 16:9 in here or 4:3. Just choose which option of landscape you want to use. So we could use a standard one, which is 4:3. And as you can see, it did adjust it by 4:3. Now let's try to adjust it 16:9 first, since I think the 16:9 is better than 4:3. Click on OK. And this is now how the photo should look like. So to adjust this, you'll just have to click onto the photo here, and under image and basic, there should be an option for you to adjust its scale. So make sure this one is locked out so that it would be easier for you to go ahead and scroll this just like that. Make sure to fit this correctly. You could also swipe this to lower down the photo just like that. And just make sure that you have adjusted it correctly so that it should fit onto your preference. Now, if you do a quick preview, this is now how the clip should look like. And that is how easy you could change portrait to landscape in Filmora. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.